Hello fellow ticket holders. In this video, we are in Ōtsuki, Japan. The reason for our visit was to stay at the Toyoko Inn Fujisan at Ōtsuki Station. Located about 23 miles or 37 kilometers northeast of Mount Fuji, and situated at the head of the Fuji-Q train line, the Toyoko Inn is an excellent place to stay before adventuring out to Mount Fuji and the surrounding areas. About an 8 to 10 minute walk from the Ōtsuki station, it is easily accessible by foot any time of day. Upon entering the hotel, you will be greeted by the friendly staff and pointed to a kiosk to check in. After a swift check-in and just to the right of the front desk, be sure to stop by the self-service toiletry counter to pick up any items you might need for your stay. With several pieces of beautiful art on display to admire, including some that highlight local industry, the front lobby boasts many comfortable seating options, ranging from sofas to chairs to stools at the window countertop. If while visiting you are looking for a workplace with ample amount of power source and plenty of natural light, the window seats are a great option. Also located in the front lobby is the laundry room, consisting of 6 washing machines and 4 dryers. Each machine costs 200 yen to use. And if you need some detergent, they have that as well. Up next are the self-service lockers. This is a very interesting concept and one that is new to us. Other than consisting of 54 fully enclosed lockers and 30 Kensington-style luggage locks, I unfortunately have no other information about the lockers. You will want to inquire with the hotel on their policy for storing your luggage. Finally, in the lobby is a dining hall, primarily used for breakfast. We will get back to this later. As we make our way up the elevator, let's take note of some of the information on this information poster. As we can see noted here on the first floor, we have all the items we just covered: the breakfast, the amenities, the self-service lockers, and that co-op space down in the lobby. Where we are headed to next is the 3rd floor, seeing as that is where a lounge and a service room is. But noted here, we can find a lounge on the 2nd floor. We can also find a service room on the 2nd floor, the 6th floor, the 10th floor, and the 14th floor. You might want to just take note that if you're looking for a vending machine, it is only on floors 2 and 3. Finally noted here is the room cleaning schedule that happens between 10 and 3 p.m. We have made it to the 3rd floor, so let's go check out the lounge and service room. Open 24 hours a day, the service rooms have many amenities for guests to use. 2 of my favorite items, an ice machine and a water cooler, as well as trash bins and a microwave. With a plethora of options, there are also vending machines to get drinks from. Open only from 6:30 to 10 and 3 to midnight. The lounge is a large common area with tables and chairs, sofas, TVs, and ample amount of room to either hang out or get some work done. But the best part is it comes with a view of Mount Fuji. Now before we leave and go up to our room, there's one more thing I want to point out. If you are in need of a pants pressing, they have a trouser press at the elevators. Alright, I have started here right at the door, and I put out the wide angle so I can see everything real quick. I will switch back here in a second. Alright, here we go. So, got the bathroom door here, nothing here. Everything's just inside the room. So we come into the room, you have a spot to put your shoes and your house slippers to put on. Got a shoe horn and some type of bags. Shoe polish. It's really nice. We continue on around here. We have a desk. We have a safe and a miniature fridge. A little freezer. Got the TV, hair dryer, vanity, clock, air conditioner, which we need to get turned on. Looks like we even have some books here. The New Testament, Buddha. Oh, so these are all different types of religious books. So you got Bible and whatnot. That's really nice. Looks like we have the telephone and the remote to the TV and some tissues. On this side here we have a tea kettle, teacups, trash can, recycling bin. We have one outlet and an emergency light and the vanity seat. Come back, swing around. We have the 2 twin bedrooms with our pajamas that are provided. And here in the center of the room, looks like we have some outlets and a light and some reading material. We also have some reading lamps that can come out. Again, really tight space here. If we spin around to the other side, this would be what would be the closet with some hangers and some air freshener. And if we open up the window, why it's a cool view is that we see the train station from here. We have a train view room. Finally, we will come here into the bathroom. Now I've opened the door, and standard bathroom. We've got the toilet with the special functions on it. We have the flusher. We have 2 drinking cups or spit cups for brushing your teeth, a sink, soap, shampoo, body wash, a towel, shower, floor towel, toilet paper, and 2 locations for the handle, depending on if you want to take a regular bath or a stand-up shower. There is even a rain shower head up top there. That's really neat. And I assume this is, yep, one of the clothesline things. So standard bathroom, and everything is nice and clean and good to go.
And good morning, fellow ticket holders. As you can see, it's a little bit brighter this time looking out the window. And this is the town of Ōtsuki. And though we have this magnificent view of the town and the trains, which they're not as frequent as like in the city, I was just looking out just to see everything this morning, to see how beautiful it was going to be now that we can see. And I turn here to the right and look what we got. We have a Fuji view room over top of Ōtsuki. Wow, how amazing is that view right there? And one of the most magnificent points is the fact that there is snow, a little bit of snow on the cap of Mount Fuji, which we didn't expect that to be there due to the fact that it doesn't get snow up there when it's warm. But the atmospheric temperature is changing, and it's supposed to be down into the 40s tonight as we're sleeping. Luckily not while we're out. And so I guess it snowed on top of the mountain last night.
Breakfast is served on the first floor of the hotel just off the main lobby. With ample amount of seating for everyone, the complimentary breakfast buffet has plenty of options to choose from. Items such as cold salads, omelets, fish, meatball, teriyaki chicken, pickled vegetables, pickled plums, and kinpuri burdock. Over to the side, there is a bread station with toasters. Finally, on the back wall, we have Japanese mixed rice made with a local domestic rice, white rice, and 3 types of soup: miso soup, a corn soup, and onion soup. And over on the drink station, we have iced tea, ice water, hot tea, and hot coffee. So with plenty of options to choose from, there is something on the buffet for everyone. The Toyoko Inn Fujisan at Otsuki Station is a fantastic hotel. With its clean rooms, its complimentary breakfast buffet, the ample amounts of amenities, and its close proximity to Ōtsuki Station, this hotel comes highly recommended by us. For us personally, it was the best way to maximize our time and get the most rest before our next big adventure in Kawaguchiko. We would like to thank you for checking out this video, and we hope you found it helpful. And until next time, be safe, be kind, and adventure on. Bye! Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.